Well, good morning and welcome back to Haggett Hill. What we're going to work on today is putting the floor in this trailer. I built it a couple months ago. You may have seen my video on that. And then last week, after I got my sawmill going, I milled up this 2x8 oak, and we're going to cut it down to size and put it on the trailer. Now, I had started this video earlier, then I had some kind of error with my SD card, so I lost all the videos. So you missed me cutting the first board. I squared off the ends, I cut it down to size, I cut around this bracket with the jigsaw. That was part of the original tractor shipping crate that this trailer bed was made out of. But I may use it at some point in time to help screw on some sideboards or things like that, so I wanted to leave it into place. So I got the first board into place, so then we'll move on to the second one. I'll cut it, square off the end, cut it down to size. Once I get all of my boards placed, and then I'll put some few temporary screws in to hold them down, and I'll need to run to the local hardware store and grab some longer screws, but I've got a few that I can put in there, just kind of hold it in place until then. Okay. Use the jigsaw. Got to cut around the bracket. A little wide on that one, but that'll be okay. I'm going to work my way towards the middle because I'm going to have to rip down a 2x6 to fill in the very last gap. Just to pull it in tight, because this is freshly milled lumber, and after it dries there'll be some natural gaps in it. I'm just going to put one screw in it right now to hold it in place till I get some more. If it don't fit, get a bigger hammer. going to put these screws in. I'm going to pre-drill the hole so the board doesn't split, but I'm also going to use a spade bit so I can countersink it just a little bit so it doesn't get in the way when I start sliding stuff on and off the trailer. It doesn't catch on the bolt hole. Now some of these you'll notice they're a little bowed in the middle. I'll have to screw them down. So what I think I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this 2x8 and put exactly in the middle, and then I'm going to rip down my 2x6s to go on each side. I have two over there that I cut on the mill this morning. They both need to be about 3 3/8, so I'll put them on the mill and slice them down to 3 3/8. Okay, I have them all in place. Have them all cut to size and in place. Run some screws in here. And we'll call it done for now. Well, okay folks, I'm going to call this one done for now. I'm going to let this sit out in the sun and dry for a few weeks since this was fresh cut lumber. When it dries, then I'm going to put some sealer on it, and it's a secret homemade recipe. A lot of the old timers used to use it. I wouldn't use it on my deck at my house, but it's great for a trailer floor. All you do is take old motor oil and mix it 50-50 with diesel fuel, put it on there, let it soak in, makes a great waterproofer for trailer floors. Thanks for stopping by Haggett Hill and helping out with another project. If you like my content, please like and subscribe. It helps the channel grow. And as always, may God bless you and your family. Come back and see me.